Okay, I'm back. Thank you for your patience again. So, what you're going to do here is you're going to separate your cords. So I have my green cords. I have 2 on one side, 2 on the other side. I have my brandy cords, 2 on one side, 2 on the other side. You're going to want to snug those up a little bit. And then I'm going to take one side of cords and just wrap it around my bobbin just to keep it out of my way. And you're going to take these 4 cords and pull them up to the top of your disc. You place your cords. This is a 8-strand round braid. I mean, you could do this, I guess, with other braid styles, but I'm doing an 8-strand round. So you're going to do diagonally opposite. I'm going to do 1 and 17, and then the green ones I'm going to do diagonally opposite. Get that little guy into the middle, so he's in the middle of your hole. I use a double density disc. I just prefer it. You don't have to use a double density. If you start to lose tension, though, you may want to add a second disc underneath. It extends the life of the holes of your disc and just gives you a little bit more control with your tension. So then comes the S-Lon. I think I said it was 58 inches. And of course I've tied it in a knot now. There we go. And I need 2 of those. The other 2 will be used for the other side. So the first one, you find the approximate middle. Again, you have enough cord. It's not a big deal with cord. Find the approximate middle, put it in the center, and you want to put the S-Lon cord in the other 4 slots. So that's the first one. And then I'm going to find the middle of this second one. And I'm going to put it approximately there. I'm not going to get overly concerned about it. So this is what your disc will look like, where you've got your soutache, which is attached to your pendant, diagonally opposite in 1 and 17, and I guess that's, what is that? 9 and 25. And then your other cords, your S-Lon cords are loose. So the next few moves are important because they lock those S-Lon cords into place. So top right down, bottom left up. And you would also attach your weight here, but I'm not going to do that. And then rotate. I'm trying to do this around a camera. It's kind of top right down, bottom left up. Rotate. Now you're with a lighter cord, the S-Lon, top right down, bottom left up, rotate. So you continue this. I'm just going to do this just to show you how to do it, until you are once again straddling your dots. Once you're straddling your dots, again, and I'm just going to jump them over so that I can show you. This locks them in place once you're straddling your dots again. So once you move around to like this point again, you would load up, oops, pull that into the slot. With these double density discs, you don't have to pull it all the way down. You just have to, when they're brand new, like this one's new, just pull it in enough so it holds the cords in there. Once you're straddling the dots again, you want to load. The instructions call for 30 beads. So 30 beads on just 2 cords, the diagonally opposite cords. And then when you braid, continue to braid, you'll get this up the side. So this braiding up the side, and there's your pendant. I don't want a super long video, but hopefully you find that useful if you're having trouble fitting all your cords through the hole of your pendant. And that depends on the cords you're using, the type of soutache you're using, whether you're using satin cords or whatever. But if you can't get them all through and you need to add cords into your braid, this is a good way to do it. Thanks so much for watching. You're always welcome to visit me at glitzenkits.com or on the Facebook page. All the updates go on the Facebook page first. Sign up for the newsletter. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's meager, but it's there. Thanks so much, everybody. You have a wonderful day and happy braiding.